this quote by Simon Sinek suggests, being a leader is not just about being in charge or having power over others. It's about taking care of those in your charge and creating a positive impact on their lives. Leadership is a critical component of success in any organization or team, and being a good leader can have a positive impact on your team's performance, morale, and overall success. Recent research has shown that there are several key traits and practices that successful leaders share. Let's take a look at some of the most important ones. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of others. A leader with high emotional intelligence is able to effectively communicate with their team, understand their perspectives, and respond to their needs. This can lead to increased collaboration, motivation, and trust within the team. Authenticity. Authenticity is the quality of being true to yourself and your values. Leaders who are authentic are more likely to inspire trust and respect from their team, as they are seen as genuine and honest. Clear communication. Effective communication is crucial for any leader. A leader who is able to clearly communicate their vision, goals, and expectations is more likely to have a motivated and productive team. Flexibility. A good leader must be able to adapt to change and be flexible in their approach. In today's fast-paced and constantly changing environment, leaders who are quickly able to respond to new challenges and opportunities are more likely to be successful. Empowerment. A good leader should empower their team members by giving them tools, resources, and support they need to succeed. This can lead to increased motivation and creativity as team members feel valued and trusted. Continuous learning. Finally, a good leader should be dedicated to continuous learning and personal development. By continuously learning and growing, a leader can stay on top of the latest trends and technologies and be better equipped to lead their team to success. So there you have it, some of the key traits and practices of successful leaders based on the most recent research. Keep in mind that becoming a good leader is a continuous journey and requires a lot of hard work and dedication. But by incorporating these practices into your leadership style, you can become a more effective and inspiring leader for your team. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content to help you fine-tune your power skills.